Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Now I am introduced to you long gown. This gown is a true celebration of timeless elegance and modern charm. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, it drapes gracefully over the silhouette, creating a look that is both captivating and effortlessly feminine. The fabric flows like liquid silk, catching the light with every gentle movement, while the soft texture adds a whisper of luxury to every step. The design features a beautifully sculpted body that enhances the natural shape, offering a flattering and confident fit. Delicate embellishments trace the neckline and waist, adding subtle sparkle without overpowering the overall sophistication. As the gown cascades downward, the skirt opens into a graceful flare, creating an angelic floating effect that adds drama and romantic to the entire ensemble, perfect for the evening events, formal occasions, or red carpet moments. This gown blends beauty and comfort in the most seamlessly way. It moves with the poise, photographs flawlessly, and leaves a lasting impression with its refined style and drama-like flow. This is not just a dress; it is an experience of elegance, confidence, and timeless glamour. Every element this gown has been thoroughly designed to create an unforgettable presence. The silhouette is tailored to flatter, sculpting the waist while allowing the skirt to flow with natural grace. As the fabric sweeps downward, it forms elegant ripples that move like soft waves, giving the entire piece a sense of motion even when standing still. The craftsmanship speaks for itself. Intricate handwork glides across the bodies, adding a refined shimmer that catches the eye from every angle. Whether under soft indoor lighting or the golden glow of evening lights, the gown radiates a gentle brilliance that enhances its luxurious appeal. The back design is equally mesmerizing, tastefully detailing with delicate patterns that create a perfect balance between sophistication and modern style. The sleeves tailored with kindness add a graceful touch, framing the arms with elegance. Together, these features transforms the gown into a masterpiece that celebrates femininity and artistry. As the wearer walks, the skirts flow with a majestic sweep, creating a dreamy, almost ethereal effect. Every step feels poised and confident as through gliding across a green runway. This gown is ideal for grand celebrations, galas, weddings, or any moment where one wants to feel like the center of elegance. More than a garment, it captures a sense of luxury, soft, refined, and beautifully expressive. It tells a story of grace, charm, and timeless occasions. This gown unfolds like a piece of variable art, crafted for those who appreciate the beauty of detail and the elegance of the fine tailoring. Its presence is commanding yet tailored. Its presence is commanding, offering a harmonious structure and flow that instantly elevates the silhouette. The moment it's worn, it transforms the atmosphere, soft and undeniably luxurious. The fabric is chosen with purpose, blending fluidity with a gentle weight that allow it to fall effortlessly while maintaining its elegant form. As the light touches its surfaces, it reflects a soft luminous sheen that enhances every movement, whether stepping into a ballroom or walking across a candle. Its settings, the gown seems to glow with a quiet regal radiance. The body is designed like a sculpted jewel, precise, sportive, and glamorous. Every embellishment is placed with intention, forming delicate patterns that trace the curve with the artistic finesse. Tiny crystals, beads, or thread shimmer like stardust, creating a balanced sparkle that complements the gown without overwhelming its timeless charm. The waist flows into a beautifully expanding skirt structure to achieve the perfect blend of volume and lightness. It sways with an enchanting rhythm, giving the impression of a soft breeze caught within its layers. Each step creates a poetic dance of fabric, leaving behind an air of elegance that lingers long after passing by. The back is adorned with refined detailing, subtle yet striking, adding depth to the design and ensuring that the gown captivates from every angle, whether it's an open black silhouette, delicate buttons or sheer panels, and craftsmanship highlight sophistication and allure in equal measure. Every inch of this gown speaks of luxury. It's crafted not just to worn but to be admired. It embodies confidence, elegance, and the quiet power that comes from the knowing you look extraordinary, perfect for formal evening, high-end events, and special moment that deserves a touch of magic. This gown transforms any occasion into a celebration of beauty. This gown is a masterpiece where artistry meets elegance, crafted for moments that demand absolute presence from the very first glance. It exudes an aura of sophistication, quiet confidence, and undeniability captivating. Every line, every fold, and every detail has been shaped with the precision, giving the gown a character that is both timeless and irresistibly modern. As the fabric drapes over the body, it creates a silhouette that feels sculpted yet fluid, embracing natural contours with gentle grace. The material carries a soft velvety sheen, catching the gown of lights in the most enchanting way. It moves like poetry, smooth, rhythmic, and effortlessly graceful, creating a mesmerizing dance with every step. The body is a celebration of craftsmanship. Each stitch is deliberate, each embellishment placed with an artistic eye. Intricate beadwork and shimmering accents trace elegant patterns across the chest and waist, adding depth and radiance without overpowering the gown's refinement simplicity. It sparkles subtly like moonlight glistening on still water. Moving downward, the skirt blooms into a luxurious cascades of fabric. Its layer and arrange to create natural movement, opening gently with every stride. The fall is implicated, neither too heavy nor too light, capturing the perfect balance that gives the gown its signature charm. When the wearer turns, the skirt sweeps gracefully behind, leaving a floating, ethereal trail of beauty. The back of the gown is designed to be a revolution in itself, whether adorned with the delicate lace or sheer panel or an elegantly curved cut. It adds a touch of allure that completes the silhouette. The details are subtle yet unforgettable, ensuring that gowns command attention from every viewpoint. The sleeves or the absence of them play a vital role in definition the gown personality, from sheer sleeves to bold sleeveless skirts. Each design choice enhances its character, adding another layer of sophistication. This gown is made for grand entrances and crested memories. It belongs with candle lights, halls, luxurious celebration, red carpet nights, and moment where beauty becomes an experience. Each movement, each turn, each glance in this gown becomes a part of graceful story, one that speaks of confidence, elegance, and timeless allure. It is more than fashion, it is the experience, it is the present, it is the feeling of stepping into a dream and knowing you belong in every moment of it. This gown stands as a testament to the power of refined beauty. It carries within it a sense of grandeur that cannot be rushed or overlooked. Every stitch reflects devotion, every contour speaks of designer's imagination brought to life. It is the kind of piece that commands silence for a moment, inviting the viewer to simplify, admire the artistry before them. The fabric glides like a soft whisper, moving with a gentle elegance that feels almost unreal. It folds the light in a way that gives the gown its own radiance, a soft halo that surrounds the wearer, whether beneath glittering chandeliers or the warm glow of evening lanterns. The gown seems to breathe, shifting between shadow and shine with a natural, effortless grace. The upper body remains a marvel of craftsmanship, delicate motifs sweep across it, patterns that feels hand-drawn, intimate, and woven with emotions. Each embellishment glimmers, subtly creating a constellation of sparkle that dances as the wearer moves. It delicate, yet never loud, luxurious, yet never heavy, the perfect balance of glamour and delicately. As the gaze travels downward, the design expands into a flowing masterpiece. The skirt carries a majestic fullness shaped to create a breathtaking silhouette. It billows softly with every step, creating a ripples as gentle as a calm river at dusk. The movement is hypotonic, a slow choreography of fabric that enhances anyone who approaches. The side of the gown hold their own elegance, smooth, uninterrupted, and beautifully structured. They frame the silhouette with quiet confidence, allowing the gown to stand tall and regal, and then the back, a moment of pure artistry, whether adorned with the lacework, a cascade of buttons, or a delicately sculpted open cut. The back design completes the gown story with a whisper of allure. Even the smallest element, the curve of the hem, the subtle layering near the waist, the way of the skirt's transition to a graceful train highlights the true fullness behind the creation. Nothing is accidental, everything is designed to elevate the wearer into a realm of timeless beauty. Wearing is the gown is feels like stepping into a world where elegance designs supremes. Each movement becomes intentional. Each turn becomes a moment of art. Each glance becomes a portrait. It's kind the gown of transforms an evening into a memory. A gown that doesn't just dress the body but awakens the spirit. This is the fashion as poetry. This is elegant at peak. This is the gown that leaves lasting print on every heart that sees it. This gown is not merely worn, it is entered like stepping to a world woman from elegance, artistry, and quiet magnificence. The moment it graces the body, it becomes a second skin of sophistication, enveloping the wearer in an atmosphere of regal serenity. It holds the kind of presence that needs no introductions, the kind of beauty that reveals itself with soft confidence rather than loud declarations. The fabric carries a velvety smoothness, gliding through the fingertips like a stream of silk touched by moonlight. Every fold reveals depth, every movement creates a soft harmony of flowing textures. When the gown shifts, it does so with the poetic grace, gentle fluid, and impossibility. Refined, the body stands at the heart of its charm, sculpted with flawless precision. It embraces a frame with a blend of sport and softness, enhancing the natural shape while maintaining a sense of airy, delicately intricate embellishments, minute pearls, shimmering crystals, or fine metallic threads. Trace delicate pathways across its surface. They shine not in excess but in whisper, adding a divine glow that feels like straight light captured in fabric. The waist transition into a stunning cascade, unfurling into a skirt designed to mesmerize the sense. It moves in a layer, each one softer than the last, creating a gentle ripple effect with the every step. Whether in motion or standing still, the skirt maintains a dreamy silhouette that feels sculpted by the air itself. As the wearer walks, the gown flow like a silent melody, leaving behind a trail of elegance that feels almost worldly. The back of the gown tells a story all its own. The detailing is intricate yet balanced, never overwhelming, always enhancing. Whether it is a sweep of delicate lace, a row of pearls, or a beautifully curved open back design captures attention with subtle drama. Every inch is a harmony of designs, each detail a note in the composition of beauty. The sleeves, long chic cap or sleeveless, extend the gown a character. They frame the shoulders, gracefully softening the silhouette or enhancing its elegant shape. They add depth to the designs while allowing the gown's luxurious presence to shine from all angles. As the gown touches the floor, the hem moves like a sigh, soft, elegant, and intentional. A gentle train follows behind, sweeping in a screen motion that transforms the even every step.